Have you ever wondered, how do travelers find the most efficient routes, hidden gems, and must-see attractions along their journey? It's not random. It's smart, map-assisted planning powered by interactive tools. Welcome to Travel Route Planning Made Simple with Story Maps. With visual storytelling and geographic intelligence, Story Maps transform travel planning into an intuitive, engaging experience. Visit story.mapog.com in your browser. Click on Create New Map in the top right corner of the homepage to start creating your own map. Add title of your map, description telling us what it's about, and a nice image to symbolize your theme. After that, click on Add Story and then select Manually. Stick with the default settings and enter the following: a title for the point, like the name of the destination, a description about the location, and a clear image representing that place. When you're done, click Save. Add more travel destinations or points. Repeat the steps above to add all the destinations in your itinerary. Customize the points. Use the location connection feature to display the routes of travel and visually describe the mode of transportation. By making it public and sharing the link, you can share it and distribute it to anybody. Story maps make travel route planning more engaging and easier to understand by blending maps with stories, photos, and other visuals. They help travelers see not just where they're going, but what makes each stop meaningful. This approach adds depth to planning by highlighting key experiences, uncovering potential issues, and helping everyone involved stay on the same page. Perfect for crafting memorable trips or designing tourism routes. That's it. We hope this gave you a clear idea of how to create a story map for travel route planning using MAPOG. To explore more, visit story.mapog.com, and for any help, reach out at support@mapog.com.